Hi, this is Chris. Today I'm up in the Santa Barbara area where Ramon from Organic Greens Landscape has installed the bocce ball court in the backyard of this home. He's built this really beautiful garden. The water feature using black slate chips instead of Mexican beach pebbles. It's a little bit cloudy right now because it's just getting circulated to get it going, but you can see how the beauty of the water feature with the black slate chips ties into the silver gray of the bocce ball court. And for the lighting, you used an LED lighting strip.
Yes.
So when you're playing in the evening, the lighting will come on and flood the court. He opted to do a pure oyster shell surface, which is a lot slower playing, but it's a lot shorter court, so it makes sense. You can see the beautiful woodwork he did. He used a cedar and then put a coat on it, and then it transitions to Oklahoma mahogany flagstone with some Del Rio pebbles in between. So we'll put his information up on the website and for Santa Barbara, Ventura counties. If you want to get a bocce ball court installed, you can contact Ramon at Organic Greens.